Module 4. Create a new project. Once the text verification tool has been started, you will be asked to create a new project or to open an existing one. Click on Create New Project in order to activate the New Project wizard that will guide you to select the files you want to compare. Step 1. Selecting the original documents. Select your source documents at Step 1 using the upper Add button. If you want to remove an already added document, highlight it and use the Rem button. If you add more than one document, you can change their order in the list by highlighting the document and clicking the up or down arrow. Step 2. Selecting the documents to be compared. Click on the Add button under Step 2 to select the documents that you wish to compare with your original manuscripts. Always make sure that you select the correct and latest provided PDF file from PMD. Step 3. Naming your project. The TVT automatically inserts the name of your source file as the project name. This ensures that the project is easily identifiable. However, you can also choose a different name for your project. Simply highlight the text in the Please Enter Project Name box and type in the desired project name. The project name can include up to 100 characters. This name will be used if you decide to save the project. Step 4. Selecting project settings. Your choice of project settings depends on the size of the documents to be compared and whether they contain repeated blocks of text. The TVT offers you configuration options optimized for the following types of documents. Cartons. This configuration is designed for very small documents, 1 page, for example packaging labels and cartons, where single instances of text in the manuscript are repeated several times in the copy document. Cartons with ligature expansion. Stylistic ligatures in PDF documents will be expanded to their constituent characters. Cartons without clones. This configuration is designed for carton material projects where there should be the same text in the manuscript and copy. For PDF documents, there is no line analysis, so underlined and strike-through text have to be checked manually by the user in each case. Documents. This configuration is designed for large documents, more than 10 pages. Documents complex languages. These configurations allow easy handling of Thai, Arabic and Hebrew language content. Document with ligature expansion. Stylistic ligatures in PDF documents will be expanded to their constituent characters. Documents without hyphenation check. This configuration is optimized for more rapid check of larger documents, hence the check of hyphenations is disabled. Leaflets, complex languages. These configurations allow easy handling of Thai, Arabic and Hebrew language content. Leaflets, default. This setting should generate optimal results for small documents from 2 to 10 pages. For example, pharmaceutical package leaflets. Hyphenation checking is turned on and so is underline analysis for PDF documents. Leaflets with ligature expansion. Stylistic ligatures in PDF documents will be expanded to their constituent characters. Special PDFs. Use this configuration instead of a default configuration if the on-screen output and the text extraction of the PDF document appear different. Text highlighted in the TVT is dislocated compared to the screen output of the PDF document. PDF-related bug tracking messages appear during document loading. Changing the project settings. When the TVT is delivered, the default configuration is set to leaflets. However, you can alter this or redefine the default configuration via the Edit button located on the lower right of the New Project wizard. Choose the setting that fits your documents best. Please note that the number of pages as shown in the dialog is a recommendation. It is possible to compare documents with more than 50 pages with the leaflets setting. Once you've selected the appropriate setting for your project, click on OK. The documents will be displayed in the TVT document windows. Changing the project setup. If you have already created a TVT project, but after loading or even after comparing the files you notice that you have chosen an inappropriate setting or a wrong file, You can easily change the setup without having to start all over. The Change Project Setup command is accessible under the Project menu and under the Project section of the Wizard toolbar. After selecting it, you are warned by the TVT and are asked to confirm the reset. After confirming the warning, you can remove and add files, select another project setting and enter a new project name. The project setting and the initial word count of both documents are displayed in the status bar of the Text Verification Tool window. The number of words in the two documents is seldom identical. This does not necessarily indicate the presence of errors. The copy usually contains additional text that is not intended for printing, like the printer's instructions. Also, words containing non-alphabetic characters, such as the hyphen character in a hyphenation, can count as 2 or more words. TVT counts the number of deviations between the original and the copy. Deviations may or may not be errors. After the comparison has been performed, the information in the status bar changes. Please note, the critical word count is only available if the critical word function has been activated. Zooming in and out. Focus on the document. Click in a document. Use the functions of the toolbar to zoom in and out. Press the Z key to jump to a zoom level of 500%. Press the O key to jump to a zoom level of 100%. Draw a frame around the part of the document you wish to enlarge using Ctrl plus the left mouse button. Use Ctrl plus mouse wheel to zoom in and out. The use of the hand mode, holding down the left mouse key, allows you to drag rather than scroll the document in the active document window.